ma, tabangi gud ko sa akong module.
Ay nak, mag-deliver para ba kung aning mga inutaw? Ato lang sa imong ati patudlo ha. Basi nakahinumdom pa siya ni ana nga leksyon.
Dili ako musugot nga mapakkang ang pagtuon sa atong kabataan. Bisan ubos kita sa pandemya karon, dawata kining gasa sa edukasyon, kinasingkasi nga halad gikan ning inyong pamunuan.
Gidalit kaninyo ni Mayor Edgardo Labella, Vice Mayor Michael Lopez Rama, ang Chairman sa Committee on Education sa atong konseho, Department of Education, Cebu City Division, Cebu City Local School Board ug Home Radio 106.7, kining Cebu City Educational Laboratory on Radio o ED Radio. ED Radio, atong dalit aron mas musayong ang pagkat-on sa atong mga tinunan gamit ang learning modules pinaagi sa pagpaminaw sa ilang mga paboritong teacher broadcasters sa kahanginan. Tune in na sa 106.7 kay matod ni Mayor, ang pagkat-on kinahanglan magpadayon.
Luka, anak, andaman ang imuhang module. Ug maminaw ta sa ED Radio, kay magsugod na ang imuhang klase.
Yes pa! Andan ako! Kamong classmates, ready na ba mo sa to ang klase karon? Maminaw biya tawag tarong ni teacher ha? Teacher! Andan na mi!
A math amazing day to all our listeners in Cebu City. Most especially to our dear grade 4 pupils. Welcome to a brand new day of learning mathematics. Grade 4 pupils, today we will resume the super exciting mathematics camp to train you to become a certified math victor, a true math champion in mind and heart. In this session, we will nourish your minds with essential topics to improve your mathematical skills and abilities. In each lesson, you have the chance to collect the powerful mind badges needed for the succeeding lessons. I am Teacher Weng, your math camp master, and I'll serve as your ultimate guide in understanding your module and also in accomplishing your task. Today's math camp lessons are as follows. Lesson 1. Rounding numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. Lesson 2. Ordering numbers up to 100,000. After going through this module, you are expected to demonstrate understanding on when to round up and down numbers. Round numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. Demonstrate understanding on how to arrange numbers and order numbers up to 100,000 in increasing or decreasing order. Fourth graders, are you up for the challenge? Hooray! That sounds fantastic! Now this time, grade 4 pupils, Be ready with your Module 2 in Grade 4 Mathematics. Prepare your paper and pen. You will be needing that as you follow along. Okay, pupils, do you have it already? Oh, that's wonderful. Join me in the next hour as we jumpstart Module 2 Math Camp and explore the new topic in rounding and ordering numbers up to 100,000. Here we go! Grade 4 pupils, have you answered the pre-test found on page 1 of your module? Oh, very good. You come well prepared. We are all set. Lesson number 1. Rounding numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. When we round a number, we make it simpler, but keep its value close to the original number. Why is it ever necessary to round a number? Whole numbers are much easier to add, subtract, multiply, and divide when they are in rounded form. If you just want an estimate of the answer and do not need to be exact, rounding off is a great way to simplify such calculations. After going through this lesson, you are expected to demonstrate understanding on when to round up and down numbers, and round numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. Now this time, I want you to proceed to page 2 of your module and look under what's in. I'll give you time to answer Part A and Part B of what's in. Make sure to use a separate sheet of paper for your answers. For Part A, give the place value of the underlined digit. And for letter B, round the given numbers to the nearest hundreds and tens. I'll give you time to answer what's in. Go ahead. I know you can do it. Okay, pupils, let's check your answers. Letter A, number 1. The given is 36,789. The underlined digit is 6. What is the place value of the underlined digit? The answer is thousands. Good job. Number 2. The given is 49,233. The underlined digit is 4. Its place value is 10,000s. Great! Number 3. The given is 50,890. The underlined digit is 8. The answer for this is hundreds. Well done. Let's move on to the 4th number. The given for number 4 is 78,125. The underlined digit is 2. The answer for this is tens. Again, that's tens. And finally, number 5. The given is 95,500. The underlined digit is the last 0. The answer for number 5 is once. Again, that's once. You've got it right. Let's move on to the second part, that's letter B. Let's round the given numbers to the nearest A, that's hundreds. Number 1, the given is 368. Rounding it to the nearest hundreds, we have, the answer will be 400. Number 2. The given is 543. Rounding it to the nearest hundreds, the answer will be correct. That's 500. Number 3. How about for 621? Well, the answer for that will be 600. Number 4. The given is 785. Rounding it to the nearest hundreds, the answer will be 800. Good. Number 5. 905. Rounding it to the nearest hundreds, the answer will be, that's right, it's 900. Let's continue to the second part. That will be rounding the given numbers to the nearest, that's letter B, tens. Number 1. The given is 129. Rounding it to the nearest tens, the answer will be 130. Great job. Number 2. 308 is the given number. Rounding it to the nearest tens, the answer will be 310. That is correct. Number 3. The given is 434. Rounding it to the nearest tens, the answer is 430. Right. Number 4. You're given 657. Well, the answer for that is 660. Great. And finally, how about 802 for number 5? Rounding it to the nearest tens, the answer is 800. Wonderful. Did you get all the answers correctly? That's fantastic. Grade 4 pupils. I can really see the future math victors in you. Good job. Let's proceed to the main highlights of this lesson. Let's understand this given situation. It's harvest time in Mang Pedro's mango farm. Let's talk to Mang Pedro and ask about it. Hi, Mang Pedro. We've heard that you've harvested your mangoes already. Mangoes are one of my favorite fruits. Can you tell us about it?
Hello, Teacher Weng. Hello, grade 4 pupils. Yes, that's true. With the help of my man and son, we were able to harvest 26,850 kilograms of mangoes.
Come again, sir?
26,850 kilograms.
Wow, that's a lot of mangoes. Thank you, Mang Pedro.
You're welcome.
Okay, pupils. So, in Mang Pedro's mango farm, they were able to harvest 26,850 kilograms of mangoes. About how many thousand kilograms of mangoes were harvested? How do we round the given number of kilograms to the nearest thousands? Now let's study the number line shown in page 3 of your module. We can find the answer by rounding 26,850 to the nearest thousands. As you can see in the number line shown, we have from 26,000 going to 27,000. The interval is 100. So we started with 26,000, followed by 26,100. Next, we have 26,200, 26,300, so on and so forth until we reach 27,000 in our number line. Were you able to see it? Now, pupils, let's locate 26,850 in the number line. Well, that's between 26,800 and 26,900, right? Since 26,850 is closer to 27,000, we can say that 26,850 becomes 27,000 when rounded to the nearest thousands. Hence, Mang Pedro harvested about 27,000 kilograms of mangoes. Now this time, I'll also teach you another way, when to round down and when to round up. Let's start with when to round down. In rounding numbers, we need to identify the rounding place first. So if the digit to the right of the rounding place is below number 5, I repeat, that's below 5, we are going to round the number down by changing the rest of the digits to the right into 0. Let's have an example. Kindly write on your paper 24,356. One more time. That is 24,356. And let's round that to the nearest thousands. Let's answer these guide questions. What digit is in the thousands place? Yes, that's 4. 4 is the digit in the thousands place. Correct. How about the digit at the right of 4? What is it? Right, that's 3. 3 is found at the right of 4. Now, since 3 is less than 5, retain the digit 4. Again, since 3 is less than 5, retain the digit 4. Then we are going to change all the numbers to the right of 4 to zeros. So we round down 24,356 to 24,000. I repeat, 24,356 when rounded down to nearest thousands is 24,000. Do you follow? All right. Now how about rounding up? When to round up? First thing that you need to do is to identify the rounding place. If the digit to the right of the rounding place is 5 or greater, then round the number up by changing the rest of the digits to the right into 0 and adding 1 to the digit in the rounding place. Let's have an example. Write on your paper 37,690. I repeat, 37,690. Let's round that to the nearest thousands. Pupils, what digit is in the thousands place? Correct, that is 7. What digit is at the right of 7? Okay, that's 6. Since 6 is more than 5, we add 1 to 7 to round it up to 8. Then we are going to change all the numbers to the right of 8 to zeros. So we round up 37,690 to 38,000. 37,690 when rounded up to the nearest thousands is 38,000. Do you understand? Let's have more examples. I will give you 3 numbers. Your task is to round those numbers to the nearest thousands and to the nearest 10,000s. Do you follow? Let's begin. Write down 65,890. I repeat, that is 65,890. I'll give you time. Okay, so 65,890 when rounded to the nearest thousands is 66,000. Right, we round it up since the digit in the thousands place is 5. And the digit at the right of 5 is 8. And since 8 is more than 5, we add 1 to 5 to round it up to 6. Then we change all numbers to the right of 6 to zeros. So we round up 65,890 to 66,000. 65,890 when rounded up to the nearest thousands is 66,000. Do you understand? Okay, good. How about to the nearest 10,000s? What is your answer? Following the same process, let's see. The answer is 70,000. I repeat, that is 70,000. Since the digit in the 10,000s place is 6. And the digit at the right of 6 is 5. Since it's 5, we add 1 to 6 and round it up to 7. Then we change all the numbers to the right of 7 to zeros. So we round up 65,890 to 70,000. 65,890 when rounded up to the nearest 10,000s is 70,000. Let's try another example. How about 43,645? I repeat, 43,645. I'll give you time. Okay, let's reveal the answers. Rounding 43,645 to the nearest thousands, the answer is 44,000. Once again, that is 44,000. And rounding 43,645 to the nearest 10,000s, the answer is 40,000. 40,000. Let's try one more time. Write down 86,600. I repeat, that is 86,600. Round that to the nearest thousands and nearest 10,000s. Go ahead. Okay, pupils, let's reveal the answers. 86,600 rounded to the nearest thousands, we get 87,000. That is 87,000. Very good. How about rounding it to the nearest 10,000s? 86,600 when rounded to the nearest 10,000s is 90,000. That is a 90,000. Way to go, fourth graders. Good job. Remember this. To round numbers, first, identify the place value of the number to be rounded. Second, check the digit to its right. If it is less than 5, round it down. If it is 5 and above, round it up. And lastly, change all the digits to the right of the digit to be rounded to zeros. Okay, pupils, don't forget to answer what's more found in page 4 of your module. That is checking your understanding for what you have learned for this lesson. There you have it. That's it for lesson 1. Rounding numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. How was it? I know you're doing great. You did it. You can now advance to the next lesson. But before that, I'll give you time to relax and regain your strength. Let's take a short break and be back for the next lesson.
Ning panahon sa pandemya magtinabangay kita. Alang sa mga dinaliang katuyuan ug dugang kasayuran, mao kini ang hotline sa Cebu City Emergency Operations Center. Kung may COVID emergency, mamahimo kang motawag sa 0968-707-5070 o 0950-209-6449. Mahitungod sa swab test results, i-contact lang ang 0919-608-7914 o 0919-608-7911. Vaccine hotlines 0928-934-7148 o 0932-773-9528. COVID isolation hotlines 0931-849-5799 o 0950-209-6485. Kung nakasinati og adverse effects sa bakuna, mamahimong mutawag sa 0942-293-3038 o 0923-675-6180. Ug alang sa vaccine online registration, bisitaha lang ang www.pabakunata.com. Mag-amping ta kanunay, mga Subuanon.
Welcome back, grade 4 pupils, our future math victors. Are you thrilled to collect the next mental badge? Now let's start the next lesson. Let's do this. Lesson number 2. Ordering numbers up to 100,000. After going through this lesson, you are expected to demonstrate understanding on how to arrange numbers and order numbers up to 100,000 in increasing or decreasing order. Now this time, pupils, I want you to go to page 5. Look under what's in. Now on a separate sheet of paper, round the given numbers to the indicated place value. You have there 5 items. I'll give you time. You can do it. Go ahead. All right, 4th graders, let's reveal the answers. Let's start with number 1. The given is 78,678. Rounding the given number to the nearest thousands, the answer is 79,000. I repeat, that's 79,000. And rounding the given to the nearest 10,000s, the answer is 80,000. That's 80,000. Let's have number 2. The given is 56,742. The answer for the nearest thousands is 57,000. 57,000. And rounding the given to the nearest 10,000s, the answer is 60,000. 60,000. Way to go, pupils! We are now in number 3. 34,690. Rounding the given to the nearest thousands, the answer is 35,000. 35,000. And rounding the given to the nearest 10,000s, the answer for that is 30,000. 30,000. Next, we have number 4. The given is 83,560. Rounding the given to the nearest thousands, the answer is 84,000. 84,000. And rounding the given to the nearest 10,000s, the answer is 80,000. 80,000. And finally, for the last item, that is number 5. The given for number 5 is 98,890. Rounding the given to the nearest thousands, the answer is, okay, that's 99,000. 99,000. And rounding the given in number 5 to the nearest 10,000s, the answer is 100,000. 100,000. Perfect. That's it, pupils. Those are the answers for what's in. At this point, let's focus to our main topic. Let's understand this situation. It's mid-year sale. Carlo bought the following items for the new house of her mother in Cebu City. That's during the mid-year sale. Wow, how sweet of Carlo. He bought a television, a refrigerator, an oven, and a sala set. Are you curious for its prices? For the television, that is worth 36,200 pesos. Refrigerator costs 33,999 pesos. For the oven, that's worth 37,590. And for the sala set, that amounts to 30,235 pesos. What item has the least price? And which has the highest price? What do you think? To answer that, we need to understand how to order numbers. Pupils, ordering numbers is arranging a set of numbers in increasing or decreasing order. In this lesson, let's learn how to order numbers. So when I say increasing order, the other term for that is ascending. I repeat, that is ascending. That means it's from lowest, that's the first, to highest, that's the last. From lowest to highest, that is the ascending or increasing order. Were you able to follow? Good. On the other hand, the opposite of that is descending. Descending or decreasing order. I repeat, that is descending or decreasing order. That means it's from highest, that's your first, to lowest, that would be the last. If you will arrange the prices from increasing to decreasing or decreasing to increasing, how will you do it? Fourth graders, for that, what you need to do is to identify the place value of each digit as shown in page 6 of your module. You will see there a table with 5 columns. The first column there is for the 10,000s, followed by the thousands. Next, we have the hundreds, tens, and lastly, we have ones, as shown in the table. Notice that all these numbers begin with 3. Find out the next number to the right and compare which is less or which is greater. Thus, when these numbers are arranged in increasing or ascending order, it becomes 30,235, that's the first one, followed by 33,999. Next, we have 36,300. And the last one is 37,590, which has the greatest value. Now, when we arrange the numbers in decreasing or descending order, it becomes 37,590, followed by 36,300. Next, we have 33,999. And lastly, we have 30,235, which has the least value. Do you understand? Very good, pupils. Now let's check your understanding. Go to page 7 of your module and answer what's more. You have there 2 parts. For part A, on a separate sheet of paper, you are going to arrange the given numbers in increasing or ascending order. For letter B, you're going to arrange the given numbers in decreasing or descending order. I'll give you time to think it over. Pupils, let's check your answers. For part A, your task is to arrange the numbers in increasing or ascending order. That means you are going to arrange from lowest to highest. For number 1, the answer are as follows. Listen carefully. 25,120. Followed by 25,265. Next, 25,322. And the last one is 25,458. Did you get it right? Oh, that's good, pupils. Let's continue with number 2. Listen attentively. The first one is 50,297. Second, 50,549. Next, 50,611. And the last one is 50,735. That's it for number 2. Number 3. You will start with 10,515, followed by 12,517. Next, we have 15,516. And lastly is 18,518. That's it for part A. Let's have part B. Your task is to arrange the numbers in decreasing or descending order. So listen carefully to the answers from 1, 2, and 3 and check your answers. Let's have number 1. You will start with 20,567. Next, 18,164. Followed by 16,901. And lastly, 14,285. Moving on to number 2. The first one is 30,960. Next, 29,600. 656. The next one is 28,245. And the last one is 25,167. Were you able to follow? Good. Let's have the last item, number 3. The first one is 98,125. The next one is 95,125. Next is 93,125. And the last one is 90,125. Now, if you're able to get all the answers correctly, that's a fantastic job, pupils. Tap your shoulders and say, good job. Remember this. To arrange numbers in increasing or decreasing order, compare two numbers at a time, starting from the left to right. Find out which is greater or less and put them in the correct order. Take note of page 8 of your module, What I Can Do, and answer parts A and B. And don't forget to answer the assessment or the post-test found in page 9 to 10. There you have it. That ends lesson 2. And that concludes Module 2 of Grade 4 Mathematics. Wonderful work, Grade 4 pupils, our future math victors. Congratulations for always doing your best. In today's camp, you have successfully collected 2 powerful mental badges. Badge number 1, rounding numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. Mental badge number 2, ordering numbers up to 100,000. Your mathematics skills and abilities are truly leveling up. Continue to strive more in the next challenges to come to further develop your skills in the exciting world of mathematics. Only here in Ed Radio, this is Teacher Weng, your Math Camp Master.
Luca, anak, kamusta? Humana ba inyo ang klase?
Oo pa. Kung daghanapon mo yung mga bagong nakatunan karon. Di ba, classmates?
Wow, very good.
Classmates, magkuyog piyag gihapon ta sa sunod na nga klase, ha? See you!
Mao kadto ang atong kinasing-kasing nga halad alang sa atong mga tinun-an aron ang pagkat-on magpadayon bisan pa man sa mga kabag-uhan nga resulta sa pandemya. Dalit kaninyo sa Cebu City Government Local School Board, Cebu City Council, Department of Education, Cebu City Division ug sa Home Radio 106.7. Atangi ang sunod nga klase sa kahanginan. Hangtod sa sunod higayon, ayaw si Piata sa pagpaminaw sa Ed Radio tungod kay ang pagkat-on kinahanglan magpadayon.